Hello, welcome to an e-demo on victorWeb Maps. Maps in victorWeb will be pulled in from the integrated Victor application server, and when you're signed in as a Victor application server user, you will have access to those maps. So let's take a look at how that works. First of all, I'm going to go up to the monitor menu and I'm going to choose Maps from the drop down there, and you'll see that we get a list of all of the maps on the Victor application server listed on the left hand side. And what I can do is just select one of those, and it's going to open the map and remove that menu for me. Okay, so what I can do with my map is I can zoom in and out using my mouse scroll wheel, and I can also pan through the map using click and drag with my mouse as well. If I move up into the upper right hand corner, you'll see that there are a few buttons up there. First one here will allow me to show and hide any layers which are part of the map. Next button here opens a series of options. The first one is this dock and undock of that menu. We also have the option to show and hide any text layers, and we can show and hide health indicators on the object icons on the map as well. Next button here is called Reset Map, and it's going to reset that zoom level for me. And then the next couple of buttons are Zoom In and Zoom Out. Okay, so the next button then is called Show All Icons, and what that's going to do is just put a circle around all of the icons which are on my map just to highlight them to the operator. And then the final button is Show All Shapes, and if I select that, you're going to see any field of view shapes or any areas which have been added to the map as well. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here. What we're going to do is show how we can view video from one of the cameras which are added to the map. So you'll see there's a camera. If I hover over it, it's circled. If I click on it, you're going to get live video from the camera in the pane on the left hand side.